Hi, this is Jay Morin at Keller Williams Realty. So we're continuing on with our project. One of the things I like to give people is if you're going to do drywall, it's good to have some mesh instead of sandpaper. It tends to work a little bit better, and you can put it on your pole sander. Also, we have a variety of spatulas or tools, taping knives they call them. I have a bunch of different sizes, inside angles, outside angles, but the two I really like is this 8-inch taping knife. And also, if you can see, there's a little bit of a curve to this one. So we lay it down with this, scrape off the excess, and then the second coat, we put a curve on it so that the tape joint doesn't show. And there's some other tricks too, but progressively getting from small to bigger knives also can work pretty well. So check us out on our YouTube channel, the Realty Flannel channel. Have a great day. Reach out with any questions and be well.